Hi, Sterling. Hi, baby. Can you smile for Mama? Sterling. Can you say, I love you, everybody? Yeah, you're so big now. Oh, yeah, you say, what up, Uncle Chris, Uncle Lucas? Yeah, what up? Yeah. You're the cutest, baby. Little Prince Sterling, yeah. You can talk? Yeah, you trying to get it? Yeah? Sterling, hi. Yeah. Hi, baby. You're going cross-eyed on me, dude. Sterling. Hey, Prince. Hi. You are so handsome. My big boy. Guys, show off your little footies. They're so cute. Aunt Brittany's gonna want them for her baby in the winter time. They're so cute. Hello. Yes. I wish you'd do a big old smile for us. Can you do a big smile? Yeah. You want to? All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.